Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Okay everybody, it's that time again. We've got another delivery of silver, so let's go and check it out. Okay everybody, so we're back here today with another delivery of silver. This is one that I'm very excited for, so I think we'll just get straight into it. So it's the Express Post Parcel as per usual. I ordered this one about a week ago. They just had a massive shipment in my Bullion place, so it's taken a little while to get here, but that's all good. So we are just going to open it up, and we're greeted with one of those envelopes again. Yep. So classic Bullion Now envelope, and this is another world bullion coin. And you probably have seen the title of this video because you clicked on it, but we are having a look at the 2020 Royal Canadian Mint Silver Maple Leaf. And so this is a 4/9 fine silver coin. Oh, what is this? We've got something new here. Aha! We have a letter from the Bullion Now team. Greetings, Ethan at Investing for Kids. Thank you for your order. Looking forward to seeing you on YouTube again soon. Kind regards, Bullion Now. So you guys might just have to stick around to see what exactly this message means. Very, very special thing happening soon. We also have a classic tax invoice for our order, a lovely business card as per usual, and the coin. So I think we'll just do this on one clip here. Just gonna open this up here. Very well packaged stuff. They go through all this amazing effort just for this one coin, which I think is a really good thing about this bullion place. If you're in Melbourne, I completely recommend buying from these guys, Bullion Now. They're in the Melbourne CBD. Oh my goodness. They make it even better. I'm not sponsored by them as much as I would love to be. Oh yeah. So, I need to give you guys a little backstory before I show you this. So I saw this on the website and I was like, totally gotta get one. Can't wait to get it. But the one thing that kind of, made me a little annoyed, not annoyed, but upset, was that it said, given the mass quantity of these, we can't guarantee or we can't assure any capsules at this time. And I want to have my coins in capsules because they should be in capsules so that they're safe. But they've got a capsule for me. Here we have the 2020 Royal Canadian Mint Silver Maple Leaf. Let's get this light off here. Not so bright in my face. There we go. What a beautiful coin. We're going to flip the camera around so you guys can get a better look at it. Now these ones are notorious for milk spotting, which is like some murky spots. But these ones have like a milk spot shield on them now. They make them so that they're very unlikely to get any milk spots. And here we have Canada. Yep, Canada 4/9 fine. So it's 4/9 fine, 99.99% silver. Fine silver, 1 ounce, argent pur. I think that must mean pure. And then they have the little guard symbol that you can see just there, and that is the shield protection. So that's either to show that this is protected by the milk spot guard, and also I don't know if I can show it on camera, but they have a guarantee sort of thing where when you sort of twist it, you can see it shines in the back. Can't really get that very easily on camera, but there's like a shine guard, so you can know that it's real. And holy moly, what a beautiful obverse. So these ones have a $5 face value on the back of them there. And it's just a very shiny, shiny queen set. It's a very, very polished, fine coin. It is quite refined, obviously. It's 4/9 fine, so you can see that up the top of the capsule there's a bit of room there. But I'll spin the camera around and show you guys a picture so you can see it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the finer details of this beautiful coin. We have the Silver Canadian Maple Leaf coin here. It's produced in the Royal Canadian Mint. It has an anti-counterfeit protection guard on it, the small maple leaf. It's also a milk spot guard, and it shines so that it is a guard against counterfeit. It's a 4/9 fine silver, which is 99.99% pure. It's very shiny, as you can see here, and it has honestly a very beautiful design. Alrighty, so I assume through the power of editing I've taken some photos and put over a voiceover to show you guys some of the finer details. I apologize again, those are quite poor quality photos. I just couldn't get my camera in focus, sadly, because it is such a magnificent coin. It's funny, this is probably one of the best detailed coins I have. If you can't really see, but really up close on that maple leaf, there are the finest details you will ever see. You can see the little stems and roots on it, but there are all these little flecks and little tiny dots that make this coin extremely difficult to counterfeit. If you were to do one of what probably seems like the most common way to counterfeit silver bullion, which is to make a mold of the coin, where you essentially get, I don't know, some sort of material and press the coin in to make like a mold for pouring a silver into, or whatever fake thing you're going to use. And when you pour it in, you're hoping to pick up all that detail. But with these, there's no way you're going to be able to get those tiny little details in there when you make a mold like that. So this is why these are one of the most difficult coins to counterfeit. And they have so many different methods and precautions that they've taken to ensure that this is a safe coin. It's probably, yep, I'm gonna say it. It's my new favorite coin in my collection, in my stack. It's an incredible coin, to be honest. It's just such a perfect design with that, and I'm astounded by how shiny and beautiful that Queen's obverse is. So I'm extremely happy with this coin. I would totally recommend getting these. The only problem is that when buying these, I had quite a fair premium to pay on them. There was a premium on it because A, it had come from overseas, and B, they are a premium coin, so they're very refined. They're 4/9 fine, whereas the American Silver Eagles are 3/9 fine. They have all those sort of protection things that they've done to ensure that it's safe, but it's an honest beauty. So that's going to be my newest addition to my collection. Stick around to see what this note means, and until next time, guys, goodbye.